guys, what's up? So today I quickly want to share a little project I built with Python and PyQt5. It's a digital club app. It's super simple. It helped me practice layouts, timers, and styling in PyQt5. Well, if you're learning Python, there's this part of Python which is PyQt5, a GUI kind of Python. Well, basically on the function. Well, sorry, I have to bring because it's opening on my other screen. All right, so as you can see, it shows both the time and the date. It updates automatically. And if you look at the bottom of my screen, you can see the current time and it just updates together. So it updates automatically and I styled it with a custom digital font. Honestly, PQT5 makes GUI programming really fun once you get the hang of it. I know a lot of us get stuck just coding the terminal, but building simple GUI apps like this is a cool way to make your Python skills more practical and fun. For those of us that are also programmers, Python programmers, drop your suggestion in the comments and I'll try to build one of them in my next video. Thanks for watching and let's keep building cool stuff together. Kindly hit the subscribe button, kindly hit the like button if you like projects like this. Well, okay, before I go, sorry, this is an unscripted video, so I'm making a lot of mistakes. Well, I'm currently learning how to code with Python, building AI apps, AI agent, and AI automation. So currently, I'm learning how to code with Python with Bro Code, and this is just after learning the Python PQT module of the course. So this is a very simple data clock. I mean, I could close it and then reopen it. It's opening on my other window. So here it is. You can see it gets the current time, updates, shows the date of it. So it's a very simple code. For those of us that are also learning Python, I think you could just drop on the comment section what you're actually building and also what you like me to build for you to see. I think I'll be happy to do something like that. I mean, it's a challenge, but yeah. Thank you for watching once again.